Welcome to the 4-Wheel Camper Factory. Behind me is the Raven slide-in shell model. It fits full-size trucks with a 5.5-foot bed. We're going to do a walkthrough starting with the exterior passenger side. This large window comes standard on the Ravens. You can also choose to add other accessories such as exterior lighting. There are a couple awnings to choose from, as well as several roof rack options. Coming around the back here, we have our standard porch light as well as additional lighting. Since this is the shell model, there is not additional exterior storage for the propane or anything else, which gives you more room on the interior of your camper. Coming around this side, there is a small inlet for a foldable solar panel. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side, you can see that this model opted out of a window. It has a nice, clean look. There are other additional accessories that you can add on, completely customizable. Let's pop the top and check out the inside. If you choose to furnish the interior, you have the option to pick from our rollover couch or front dinette seating, as well as add a furnace and a stove. Welcome to the interior of the Raven slide-in shell model. Since this is the shell, it has one long bench on each side with lots of storage underneath. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. When it comes to powering your camper, there are a variety of options to choose from. In this model, on this bench, we have battery storage in here, as well as a control panel. Here you can read your voltage and plug in your 12-volt electronics. When it comes to the pop-top vinyl portion of the camper, there are 4 windows, 2 on each side. Each comes with a screen, a clear layer, and a privacy layer. If you want added insulation, you can opt for our thermal pack. Up top on the ceiling, there are 4 dimmable LED light strips, as well as 2 powered fans. We have the slide-out bed. The queen size comes standard, but you can opt for the king as well, which is great because then you can sleep with your head in any direction. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. If you want to customize your own rig, check out our Build My Camper tool on our website, and we'll see you down the trail.